My mom and son are staying in room 9274 aboard MSC World America. Let's take a quick tour.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
Thank you, son.
You're welcome.
I have to say something. You know your voice wasn't anywhere that deep when you were on World Europa, the sister shit.
I don't know.
Welcome to room 9274. Let's take a quick tour. I can tell you, this tour won't be too long because this space is tight. Look at this. Tight. Here we have a makeup room button and a D&D, do not disturb button, instead of those little hangy things for the door to conveniently alert your room steward to what you need. Let's start by going left. As you enter, you see the bed with some nice goodies there. And then if you come over here, you see this little nook. So I think this is why it looks tight, because usually this bathroom would have been in the front. The light switch for the bathroom is actually on the outside. So here we go. Right there. And the toilet brush, toilet paper, bath mat, shelving, soap dispenser and mouthwash cup or toothbrush holder, whatever you use it for. We usually don't use it. There is a makeup mirror here. And beneath the sink is the garbage bin. And you see there is a shower, not the most spacious, but not the tiniest either. And there is a glass door. Shampoo and shower gel can be found in the shower, no conditioner. So if you need conditioner, bring it. There's also a clothing line. Connects over here. There are hooks in the bathroom as well, which is really convenient. On the wall, which I guess means there's none on the door. It's a sliding door. Here is the closet area with a lot of shelving and drawers. Drawers, drawers, more drawers. And here is the closet. Not a whole lot of hangers. About 9 hangers for a room for 2. This is actually a room only for 2, even though we booked for mommy and AJ, but LJ will be staying with her. So thankfully we usually pack our own hangers. Here's the vanity area. And different outlets here, USB ports. A dryer and safe, as well as a regular drawer. And here's a refrigerator. Ooh, it's fully stocked. I'm gonna ask them to empty that if they will. We don't want the kids taking sodas and drinks and things. Although we do have a drink package for this cruise, we don't want anyone taking anything from the minibar because that's not included in the drink package. Here are all the literatures and an announcement.
If you're waiting to get up in the cabin, get changed, get ready to go, you're going to drop your things off if your cabins are open. And after you get to the cabins, as you haven't done, so make sure you grab that room key, take it down to your assembly station, scan in. It is a must and also mandatory that all guests must have this done before we set sail today. I repeat, this is mandatory. It is something that must be done. If you've already done so, thank you. We do have quite a few people that already scanned their cards because they are taking their safety very seriously. And you know you want to have their vacation, and we want to get you on this vacation as soon as possible.
Here's a quick peek at the view from this Promenade view balcony. I love these rooms because you get views of the ocean and the Promenade. The further aft you are with one of these rooms, the better. You can tap into both the serenity of the ocean and the activity of the ship. Feels like the best of both worlds to me. Here you see the bed, and there are shelves next to the bed as well as outlets. Shelves next to the bed as well as outlets. And a USB port as well as light touch controls for the light switches. Hey family! Hi! You liking your room? Yeah. If you enjoyed this video or found it to be informative, please hit the like button. Let us know in the comments, do you think you'd book a Promenade view balcony? We'd love it if you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to see when we release our vlogs from this 7-day World America cruise and see how our family made this room work. Thanks for watching.